Listing multiple products on AliExpress is key to success. It helps you reach a wider audience and attract more customers. More products mean more chances to sell, increasing your overall sales potential. When you list more, your store looks more professional and appealing. It shows you are serious about your business and committed to offering variety. Buyers tend to trust bigger stores more, leading to higher credibility. Multiple products also diversify your income streams, reducing risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. If one product isn't selling well, others might be performing better, balancing your sales. Listing on AliExpress is free, making it cost-effective to expand your inventory. You only pay a small commission when you make a sale, ensuring you keep most of your profits. So take advantage of this opportunity and list as many products as you can to maximize your success. Listing on AliExpress is easy. Here's how you do it. First, create an account. It's free and simple. Just follow the instructions. Next, choose the products you want to sell. Do your research. Find products that are in demand. Now, create your product listings. Use clear and high-quality images. Write detailed descriptions. Highlight the benefits of your products. Finally, set your prices and shipping options. Be competitive. Offer attractive prices and fast shipping to attract buyers. Section 4. Streamlining your listings. Tips and tricks. Use bulk listing tools to make your life easier. These tools let you upload multiple products at once, saving you from the hassle of doing it one by one. This saves you a ton of time, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. Optimize your product titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords to make your listings more attractive and searchable. This helps your products rank higher in search results. Offer discounts and promotions to entice potential buyers. Everyone loves a good deal. Discounts can significantly boost your sales. Run sales and offer coupons to attract more buyers. Provide excellent customer service by responding to inquiries promptly and professionally. Address any issues quickly and professionally to ensure customer satisfaction and build a loyal customer base. Section 5. Unleash your entrepreneurial spirit. Conclusion: AliExpress is a powerful platform. It's easy to use and offers huge potential. Listing multiple products is key to success. Remember, clarity is key. Use simple language. High-quality images matter. Offer great customer service. So, what are you waiting for? Start listing today. Unleash your inner entrepreneur and crush it on AliExpress. You got this.